So hello guys, welcome back to the new video, and here just I'm going to tell you how you can calculate the market size of your competitor if you are doing business in particular niche. So this is a very simple prompt, so without wasting your time, let's get started. So here I have written, I will describe my target market and I hope you can help me calculate the market size. Then the ChatGPT replied, sure, I would be happy to help you to calculate your target market size. Then please describe your market. So actually, let's see, I'm doing the business for a coffee into the USA. Then I have written people in the US who have access to Starbucks. So this can be anything, whatever you say here. Just you can see the ChatGPT replied with an amazing reply. And just you can see here the 15,000 Starbucks locations across USA, and each location serves 5 mile of radius. So according to it, the ChatGPT calculated 15,000 stores into 5 miles of radius and number of people living per square mile. And the ChatGPT replied 693 million people have access to the Starbucks in the world. So yeah, this was how you can use ChatGPT to calculate your market size, and this video is sponsored by aiconvo.in, where I have made a course on ChatGPT, how you can use ChatGPT in 101 different ways to make money. So just you can come to aiconvo.in. I will give you the link in the description, and you go through the curriculum section. Like I've made a video on how ChatGPT can be used as an advertiser, UX developer, life coach, career counselor, etc. So this was a video how you can calculate the market size using the ChatGPT. I hope you liked it. We will meet you into the next video. Thank you.